Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that blends style, technology, and performance into one sleek package. If you're in the market for a premium-feeling crossover without going over budget, the new T-Roc might just catch your attention. So let's get into it. Right off the bat, the 2025 T-Roc stands out with its refreshed exterior design. Volkswagen has sharpened up the front fascia, with slimmer LED headlights that connect seamlessly to the redesigned grille. The new bumper looks sportier, especially in the R-Line trim, where you get larger air intakes and gloss black accents. At the rear, it's a similar story. The taillights have a new signature, and the overall stance of the SUV looks more planted and aggressive. Volkswagen offers a range of alloy wheels, going up to 19 inches, and you can choose from some eye-catching two-tone paint options to make it your own. Now let's talk interior. Step inside, and the 2025 T-Roc feels more refined than ever before. One of the biggest improvements is the soft-touch dashboard and the updated 10.25-inch digital cockpit display that comes standard in most trims. The center infotainment screen, either 8 or 9.2 inches depending on the model, is responsive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The layout is clean and modern, with physical buttons kept to a minimum, though some may miss the old-school knobs for volume and climate control. Seats are well bolstered and comfortable, especially in the top trims that offer Vienna leather upholstery, power adjustment, and heating for both front passengers. The rear seats are surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV, with decent head and legroom even for adults. Boot space is practical too, with around 445 liters available, expanding to over 1,200 liters with the seats folded down. You'll also find plenty of small storage spaces throughout the cabin for phones, drinks, and other essentials. Under the hood, the 2025 T-Roc gives you several engine choices depending on the market. The most popular option remains the 1.5-liter TSI turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 150 horsepower. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic. It's smooth, efficient, and provides enough punch for city driving and highway cruising. If you want more performance, the T-Roc R version is available with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that pumps out over 300 horsepower, offering serious speed in 0 to 100 km/h times under 5 seconds. On the road, the T-Roc handles with confidence. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but it doesn't feel floaty in corners. The steering is light yet precise, making it an easy SUV to maneuver in tight spaces. Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system is available on selected variants, which adds extra grip in slippery conditions. As for pricing, the 2025 T-Roc starts at around $30,000 USD for the base trim and goes up to about $45,000 for the fully loaded R-Line or performance models. It's competitively priced for what it offers in terms of build quality, tech, and driving experience.